Oh my goodness. I may have gone a little overboard with my birthday this year. I mean, is there anything left on the shelves in Zara? Well, I just wanted to show you what I got. Do a little try on, and all with a sprinkle of the Devil Wears Prada. This is Eve Unfiltered. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I show the best of high street fashion, beauty secrets to slow down the aging process while saving your pennies. I have all the tricks of the trade and I'm here to share them. Starting off strong with this white combo from Zara. I think this may have the wow factor. I believe if an outfit doesn't wow you once you've tried it on, don't buy it. It's not often I find pieces that actually look and feel so fabulous. I think it has something to do with the little something extra, perhaps that Devil Wears Prada factor. I love this skirt with the frill detail and the top with the built-in jewelry. I have a few similar pieces from Zara with the jeweled detail around the neck, and I'm here for it. I think an all-white outfit for summer is so chic. I'll just do a little twirl. So last week I went to see the movie The Devil Wears Prada. I was absolutely mesmerized and truly inspired by the fashion. Each character had their own style. Meryl Streep, whom I adore, was styled in the usual boss lady fashion, oozing that bitchy confidence we know and love, and her character Miranda Priestly. Now Meryl, also known as Miranda, is no spring chicken by any means, but even so, she was styled in such a manner that her age didn't seem to be a factor. She still came across as a stylish, mature lady with an edge. The whole thing made me realize that I think I need to step up my game. Maybe this would work. I feel like this summer, anything goes, allowing us to be more daring, to experiment with brighter colors and more edgy pieces. This striking asymmetric red dress is from Zara, which I believe is still available in stores or online. It's certainly giving those Devil Wears Prada vibes. I don't know what it is about red, but it's one of the most striking colors. The type of color that turns heads when you walk into a room. If you are daring enough to push yourself out of your comfort zone by choosing to wear something different than what you would normally wear, perhaps something unexpected or one of the latest trends, wear it with confidence. Keep your head up and your shoulders back. Posture is so important for your well-being and for the impression you give. Because if you're walking around like this is going to give the impression that you're a crooked old lady. Believe me, this is not the image any of us are after. So wear your outfits with pride, because if you look younger on the outside, you will feel younger on the inside, as the body and soul are always connected. One of the latest trends at the moment is gingham or check. So this little top from Zara's new collection for summer. It's so cute with the little cherries on the front. Let me see if you can see. Do you like it? Should I keep it? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Florals for spring? Groundbreaking. This gorgeous affordable dress from H&M, which is so light and comfortable that I don't even want to take it off. If you love nature and that feminine floaty look, You will love this dress from H&M's new summer collection. They have other similar patterns that are truly fabulous and youthful. There I go again. Just to give you a little close-up of the florals, I think it's stunning. I could burst into song. Okay, that's enough, Eve. Plink, plink, pink floral dress. I also spotted this stunning floral dress, which is H&M's newest edition. So new that it isn't even on their website yet. I think it's their best kept secret. It originally came with black shoulder straps, which was interesting and totally unexpected with this subtle floral design. However, I found it a little distracting, so I did one of my DIY tricks, replacing the black straps with these pink ones, which I think looks way prettier. If you'd like to see more about this DIY trick, I will link that vlog in the description box for you. However, I just wanted to show you up close the beautiful florals, beautiful floral designs on this dress. It's so flirty, very flirty indeed. I have to say, H&M are knocking it out of the park right now. As I walked into the store, I was overwhelmed by the selection of new in summer pieces. Even I, as a professional shopper, didn't know where to start. So basically, I took half of the store with me into the fitting room. I tried on this gorgeous cord, which on camera looks light blue, but in person it's more of a turquoise blue. The trousers have an unusual opening. I was going to show you my bad leg. I fell the other day and I have a nasty graze, so I'll show you the good leg. It has an unusual opening down the front of the leg, which I guess is a new trend. This trend is quite subtle, not too much in your face, so if you were thinking of branching out, this would be a good place to start. Adding a trend like this to your wardrobe can instantly make you appear younger. Now we're in H&M's fitting room, surrounded by all the new in pieces. I tried on this leopard or animal print summer maxi dress. I loved the front, but unfortunately the back was too open for me and wouldn't have been able to wear a bra underneath, so I gave that one a miss. I then tried this purple dress, which is stunning. I loved the color, but the front portion with the frills did not cover my boobies, so this was a no for me. Now, I love a red moment. This is actually one of my favorite colors, the striking orangey red, which I call my happy color, because it just instantly revives me. We all have a happy color, which is basically the color that most suits us and brings out the best in us. As much as I loved this shade, the top just didn't cut it for me. This leopard top was a winner. I feel like leopard will always be around, and when worn correctly can give you that Devil Wears Prada vibe. I love this one with its halter neckline. You could wear those straps in the back, tied in a bow, or in the front. It's great to wear with jeans, with white trousers, or styled with brown satin skirt. While on the subject of skirts, they are making a huge comeback, especially the satin skirts with the lace detail around the ends of these plain ones. I have a collection of these satin skirts. Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I find them both flattering on the body and versatile. They can be worn in summer with a t-shirt for a casual look, or with a blouse for a more dressy look. They can also be worn in the winter with a sweater. The options are endless, so if you're looking for a wardrobe staple to suit all occasions, I would recommend these satin skirts. So the next piece I tried on was this chocolate brown strapless top with side flower and frills. I loved it, but not enough to warrant buying it. Sometimes I can say no. In true Miranda Priestly form, that's all. I always say, if it's not a wow, don't buy it. Clothing is meant to uplift us. It's a form of self-expression. If the garment is not making us say wow when you look in the mirror, then don't add it to your cart. So I just wanted to show you a close-up of this beautiful leopard top. It's actually chiffon and it's just so elegant. I'm wearing it here with a pair of brown jeans, but you can style it up any way you want. It's leopard after all. Goes with anything. The last piece I tried on in H&M was this butter lemon cotton top with puffy sleeve. I felt the sleeves were a little too puffy for me and they made me look a little boxy. However, I found this stunning butter lemon lace top in Stradivarius, which I couldn't resist. It also comes in white, but the yellow to me was more striking. To me, this is a wow. With my little gold, what's it called? Clutch. Little gold clutch, which is actually annoying, so I'm going to put that down. And there's a little close-up of the yellow lace. I then meandered into Zara. After a quick browse in Zara, I came across this gorgeous two-piece top and skirt in blue satin with lace detailing. I just had to try it on, although the skirt was lovely and even gave me a great ass. I felt the top didn't fit me so well, so that was a no. Before I left H&M, I took a quick browse through the sale rails and came across this cute little brownie black floral top. It was 70% off the original price, so I grabbed it. I actually love this cute little top as I can pair it with so many colors. I have paired it here with these beige trousers with tie in the front, sort of scarf detail. This is from Stradivarius. These trousers also look great with t-shirt or tank top. Perfect for the hot weather. $70% off. Honestly, sometimes their sales are on another level. And for a little drama, add some sparkle to your life. This H&M sequin top is so stylish. If you're going out for the night and want to add a little something extra to your outfit, get your sparkle on. Everyone has a sequin number in their wardrobe, and if you don't, well, I don't know what to say. Cute little bag, little number from Primark a million years ago. Oh, I love a little sparkle. I think Miranda Priestly would like this top. Oh, what am I like? Another little top from H&M is this white floral with little ditzy pink flowers on it, and it's cotton and it's very light, perfect for the hot summer months. And I'm pairing it with these drawstring white cotton trousers, very on trend this summer, by the way, and a little pink bag that I found in my wardrobe. Haven't brought it out for years. I don't know if you can see up close, but it's got some lovely little lace detail and what would you call this? Pleated detail. Really cute. I just love this scarf detail tied around the hips. It's a real trend for this summer and can be very flattering for all ages. I just placed this piece around the chocolate brown satin skirt from Zara, worn over a Skims bodysuit. I love it. You will notice the scarf has lace trim, just like all of those other pieces that we've seen around, which are very... Why am I going like this? I've lost it. Okay, which we've seen all over the place. And close up. That's me, I'm closing up. So lace has been around for centuries and is associated with sexy lingerie. But now, lace has become wearable for everyday casual wear. If you have any lace pieces in your wardrobe, bring them out, girl. I've had this black top with lace detail in my wardrobe for years, and it's right on trend. Well, I think that about wraps it up for today, ladies. If you have made it to the end and want to see more fashion, tips and tricks, beauty and lifestyle, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thank you for watching and see you again soon on Eve Unfiltered. Ta-ta for now.